Growing food is not a rosy road. My carrots are looking amazing right now. But the next clip after my carrots, it's a nightmare that I want to talk to you about. Brassicas. I covered my greenhouse. I decided to plant them in my greenhouse this year so that I don't face caterpillar problem, and now I'm facing it. They managed to get in. I have these tiny weeny little butterflies that managed to go through my greenhouse and did this damage. The white butterfly couldn't get in because I covered my greenhouse with the good netting, so that blocked the white butterfly from coming in. But these tiny ones managed to go through and did the damage. I sprayed them 3 times with the organic spray. That organic spray says I have to do it every 7 days. At this point, I'm tired and it was so overwhelming. So I decided to put everything out so that I'm not getting stressed. And I'm going away on a holiday for 2 weeks, so it wasn't even helping. So I'll pull them out and I'll plant beans, peas, and tomatoes and peppers instead. Things that are less stress and things I know that they will do well without this caterpillar problem. But brassicas are good when you plant them at the right time. They will do well. But if you plant them at the wrong time, this is the problem you start facing. Unless you have a proper netting to cover them very well, they will probably survive. But as for me, they are going out. So yeah, guys, anyway, thank you guys for watching, for subscribing, and thank you for your support, for liking, and for sharing. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, and see you in the next video.